Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the Thermaltake Toughpower PF1 ARGB 1050W power supply. What's interesting about this power supply is that it supports all the major RGB ecosystems out there, including the ASUS Aura Sync, the MSI Mystic Light Sync, and the GIGABYTE's Fusion RGB. It comes with some nice features, including the Smart Zero fan, as well as using 100% Japanese capacitors, offering a very low ripple noise. And of course, it's fully modular and comes with some nice flat cables, plus you get 10-year warranty as well. It has a single 12-volt rail rated at 83.33 amps, giving you a maximum output of 1000 watt. And with that capacity, it's more than enough to power most of the components which I'll be using to fit into our test rig. So let's not waste any time, put this into our test rig and see how it performs. We'll see you in a bit after this unboxing. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Thermaltake Toughpower PF1 ARGB 1050W PSU. It comes with the Smart Zero fan, low ripple noise, fully modular flat cables, and 100% Japanese capacitors, as well as a 10-year warranty. Alright, let's have a look inside. Okay, we have a information pack and instruction manual. And let's take a look at the cables first. We have a bag of cables, and inside there's a power cord. Yes, that goes to the wall. And a whole bunch of PCIe cables, power cables for accessories and motherboards and graphics cards and stuff like that. We'll take a look at that later on. Alright, let's have a look at the power supply. Alright, got a foam package here, and here we have the power supply wrapped in a nice Thermaltake cloth. We'll take that off. We'll take a closer look at this power supply now. Alright, here we go. Here's the power supply, and you can see it's 1050W Toughpower PF1 ARGB, and here's all the specs. It has 3.3 volts at 22 amps and a 12 volt rail, single 12 volt rail at 83.33 amps, giving you a total output of 1000 watt. Very nice. Alright, let's take a look at the power outlet side, and you can see there's mode and color buttons which allow you to control the RGB, and we also have the Smart Zero fan on off, as well as the mains power on off. Now let's look at the connectors for the modular cables. There's plenty of connectors there. We have of course 6-pin PCIe for your peripherals, and also your 24-pin ATX, as well as the motherboard connector as well. There's also the ARGB sync cable which you can connect here. This power supply should be more than enough to power all of my components in our test rig, and what I like about this of course is the RGB, and I can't wait to see how it performs. Alright, now let's take a look at the modular flat cables and see what we got. Alright, here we have all the cables laid out, and we'll start off with this one here. This is the 24-pin ATX power connector which connects to the board. You can see that there, and that side goes to the PSU. Alright, next we have two 8-pin PCIe power connector which goes to the board. That also needs to be connected up to power up the motherboard. Here we have four 6-pin to 8-pin PCIe power connectors for all your peripherals, including graphics cards and things like that. That's plenty there. And then we have 1, 2, 3 SATA power cables which you need for connecting to SSDs and things like that, or any peripherals with the SATA port connections. Next we have the 4-pin Molex power cables. Yes, we have a cable for Molex peripherals, things like that, and that connects up to the PSU as well. Here we have the ARGB sync cable. You need to connect that to get your ARGB lighting effects. And finally, a 4-pin to Molex power connector. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the Thermaltake Toughpower PF1 ARGB 1050W power supply, giving you lots of options for RGB and with enough power output to power all of your components. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.